In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Netflix cannot set reminder. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection and try restarting your router or switching networks. If that doesn't work, you might need to check if there are any updates available for the Netflix application. Go to your Play Store or App Store and update your Netflix. If that doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and visit the netflix.com/status to check if any servers are down. If there is an outage, you want to simply go ahead and wait and try again. Also, go to your phone setting and allow the Netflix notifications, by the way. And if you're on an Android device, you can simply go ahead and clear app cache. If still doesn't work, then you want to simply go ahead and sign out and sign back in, or even check the show or movie availability. Reminders are only available for upcoming releases. If nothing works, you want to simply go ahead and uninstall the application and reinstall it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.